What's up, my real ones? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 200 subscribers. I know I look a hot mess because I had 3 hours. Just left a Zumba-thon. Shout out to Quay, Angie Kim. I got a bunch of flipping sauces. This Moe's hooks me up like you ain't even seen it yet. Look, let me pull it back. You see all these sauces they give me? Do you see this? That's you don't see it. That's favor. And favor ain't fair. And guess how much I paid for all this? $1.17 because I won a raffle for doing a finishing 100-mile challenge. So it's amazing. Lord, thank you for the burrito, the sauces, and this water. In Jesus' name I pray, man. All right, y'all. Moe's burrito. Don't fall apart. It's a junior veggie burrito. First bite. Boom. Mmm. Mm. And I'm eating guacamole out of a cup. Come on, phone. Let me be great today now. Alright. I hope y'all can see me. Guacamole. Good. I can dig it. I'm going to try that hot stuff. We about to get it, y'all. Lord. My burrito's falling apart. Ah. Mm. I always have the worst luck with burritos, I promise. You see, it just falls apart. That's a bummer. Literally a bummer. It just fell. Decline. Like, don't call me about. I'm about to say something. Mm. No, I ain't gonna eat no chips. I mean, I'm gonna do that to myself. Oh, you can't even see the food. Y'all, I ain't gonna post this video. It's a done deal. It's a fail.